Hello everyone, welcome. I hope you are doing well. Happy holidays. So today let's go ahead and do a glam, colorful makeup look for holiday. This year I choose green because most of the times I choose gold or silver or even a brown smoky eye. So today I want to do something a little bit different. First of all, my skin is very clean. I just washed my face using my neutral soap for my face, and now I'm gonna just apply a little bit of moisturizer because this is really important for a makeup look, especially if you are oily skin. Don't forget to apply the moisturizer because this is so good. So I'm gonna apply using a brush, and next I'm gonna use a product to give me that glow that I need for my skin. I want a natural glow but nothing over today, so I decided to use the Drunk Elephant product. This is the bright drops and it looks stunning by itself. As you guys can see here, I'm gonna apply using the same brush that I applied the moisturizer, and it looks amazing. First, I'm gonna focus the product in the highest point of my face and in the dark circles area to highlight even more. And what is left in the brush, I like to apply in the rest of my face. Also, I'm gonna apply in my neck, chest, and in my hands, but just what is left in the brush. It makes such a difference, especially when I apply the foundation on top. It looks gorgeous. So I really recommend you to try a product that gives that glow. And now you can see the amazing glow that it gives me. Flawless and stunning. When I apply the foundation on top of it, it looks perfect, guys. So now I choose a foundation that is light to medium coverage, and I can see my skin through the foundation, and it looks very good because it hides all the imperfections of my face. Today I chose by Guerlain, and this is amazing. First, I confess to you guys that I didn't like this foundation, but I started to try in another ways using another product, and now I really love it because it's a long wear foundation and it looks very good. And if you need more coverage, of course you could apply a second coat of the foundation so it looks flawless. But today I want to use only one. So I prep my skin really well. First I apply the moisturizer, next a primer glow, that is the Drunk Elephant. It don't replace a moisturizer, but just emphasize the effect, and it looks very good in the skin, especially when I apply the foundation on top. And this foundation is very good, especially for the glowy technique because it's not a full coverage foundation, even though it works with the full coverage foundation as well. So I'm gonna apply all over my face, and to really match everything, I'm gonna apply what is left in the brush in my neck and chest. Next, for bronzer, I'm gonna use Happy Soul by Rare Beauty. This is the best shade for me because it's a bronzer not too warm, and I absolutely love how it looks in my skin, and it blends out like a dream. So I'm gonna apply in a few spots of my face where I want to kind of contour a little bit because this shade for me works really well. And I'm gonna diffuse the product using the same brush that I was applying the foundation. Today I decided to skip the contour because it looks really well just using the bronzer like this. So I feel like I don't need a cool shade to contour the face. Just the bronzer is very good. Next step is to apply a pink, baby pink liquid blush, and this is by Huda Beauty. I love the new launch of blushes. The colors are stunning, and today I choose this pink. So I'm gonna apply in the highest point of my face and a little bit under the eye as well because I'm gonna apply the concealer later to create a more lifted effect. And today I'm gonna use Studio Fix by MAC. This concealer I absolutely love, so I'm gonna apply a little bit in the tear duct area to highlight under the eyes and a little bit in the other corners to really emphasize the lifted effect. Also in a few spots of my face where I want to highlight, but just a small amount. And I like to apply a matte full coverage concealer using a brush like this. So I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and next I'm gonna switch the brush for a more fluffy one. So I start to blend everything. What is very good about let it dry a little bit before you start to blend is that you can focus the product exactly where you want it to be, and then you start to diffuse, especially the edges. So you got the full coverage that you want in the exact places that you want it to be. If I use a damp beauty blender in the exact same time that I just apply the concealer in my skin, it looks way more natural. So it depends how much coverage I want for my makeup look, also where I'm going, if I need more coverage or not. Now I'm gonna apply translucent powder to set only a few areas of my face, as you guys can see here. So I take a small amount of product and I remove the excess. So I start applying especially in the T-zone and a little bit under the contour area. And now using a pink highlighter by Melt Cosmetics that I love so much, this is the shade Genesis. I'm gonna apply using a fluffy brush. This is a powder brush, by the way, and I'm gonna apply a small amount of product just right on top of the baby pink blush. Next, I'm gonna use Glazed Skin, also by Melt Cosmetics. Using the same brush, I'm gonna apply to set the contour area, and I'm using the shade Medium to give me that bronzy, glowy effect that I absolutely love. So this is how I finish my skin. As you guys can see here, I used some powder products to really set the liquids and cream products, but it looks very good in the end and not exaggerated. Also, it emphasized the glowy effect. Next, moving on to the eyes. I absolutely love all the colors in this palette. This is imported by Huda Beauty. This palette is stunning and also very pigmented, so I'm gonna take a small amount of product and work on the eyeshadow in the eyelids. Before I start, I got the concealer in the eyelids and also a little bit of bronzer to kind of create the transition. So I'm gonna mix a light cool brown and a grayish eyeshadow to apply in the crease, and I'm gonna use a fluffy brush to apply and to diffuse a little bit. Next, I'm gonna use a gel liner to give me the color that I want for this look, and this is by Melt Cosmetics. The color is stunning, guys, as you guys can see here. So I'm gonna apply with a concealer brush. As this product is very pigmented, I'm gonna apply a little at a time, and I'm gonna diffuse the edges. So you can see here that is basically done, but I'm gonna do a better finishing for this eye look. So first I apply the color, diffuse a little bit, let it dry, and then I apply a second coat. And now I'm gonna apply a shimmery sparkly green eyeshadow right on top, and look how gorgeous it is. The eyeshadow looks stunning. I love it. So I finish off with mascara and falsies. Also I apply the same gel liner in the waterline. And now moving on to the lips. I decided to use contrast today. So I'm gonna apply a brown lip liner. I'm gonna apply the product in the natural shape of the lips. I'm gonna diffuse it to give me a more natural contour. And I decided to use a nude brownish lipstick, but I didn't like, so I removed a little bit. And I'm gonna apply the same baby pink blush just in the center. This is how I finish this makeup look. Really hope that you love it much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below, and I see you in the next one. Mwah.